There are many daily carry items that can help make working on a job site better each day. One of the most important of those is your personal protective equipment, PPE. Your personal health and safety is a top priority every day you're working around utility equipment. Always make sure you have the following with you: a good pair of electrical hazard rated safety boots, a safety vest, safety glasses, earplugs, and a hard hat. If you're going to be handling or working around bentonite powder or in other dusty conditions, be sure to remember your respirator. And remember, invest in quality safety gear that is comfortable to wear. It's also critically important to understand the proper operation and safety procedures of the equipment outlined in your operator's manual, as well as the job site. Make sure you understand the full operation of the equipment before you turn the key. To learn more about job site safety, talk to your Vermeer representative.